current challenge, real challenge is that the discoms or the distribution companies, are facing challenge of losing customers or high-paying customers, and therefore their financial health is not in the best of the situation for whatever reason it is. And that, I think, is what the government is addressing in terms of how to improve their financial strength, how to make them more participative in the process of sort of this disruption that we are talking about, and moving towards a transiting into a clean energy economy. And right now, the real big challenge is not the regulatory or any other challenge. I think the biggest challenge today we are, or most of us in the industry are facing, is the availability of quality modules at a price that is acceptable from a overall perspective. So there is a transition, as you know, because of the global situation, first with the COVID for 2 years, and then supply chain bottlenecks that exist in the market, and with the high freight costs that are there right now, has put the basic module prices have shot up. What used to be around 19 cents have now gone up to 26, 27 cents. With those kind of prices, there is a challenge in the overall tariff, achieving the tariff for the customers. So though there are a few headwinds, but from a Radiance perspective, we believe these are all necessarily short-term events, which will get ironed out over a period of the next couple of years. I think we continue to stay on the growth trajectory. We are building a lot of projects and capacity, and as we embark on our vision of achieving 2 to 2.5 gigawatt growth of total capacity build out in the next 3 years. We are committed to building this business in a sustainable and a profitable way. For us, we see good positive sort of tailwinds for companies, because a lot of companies have adopted to become net zero within certain timelines. People are part of RE100, looking to sort of procure 100% of their power from renewables by 2030, 2025. There are different people who are taken on different targets. And interestingly, the government has also been very supportive. They have come out with some very, very good policies for interstate transmission system on CTU connected projects. This fund is one of the largest funds in Asia right now, having raised around close to $740 million. And it's a great initiative wherein there is participation from the Government of India's NIF and Government of UK and other investors who have participated in the fund. So from our perspective, I think there is a great pedigree of shareholders, great sense of participation from high quality investors, brings in a certain level of governance in the companies that we operate. For us, ESG requirements are of a very high standard, and we have processes and systems and people in place to ensure that these are maintained and managed well. And I think the fund is playing out in that way, and I'm sure there are funds across the world that are coming up with similar ideas and themes to build out. Because I think today is a time when there is a call for action, that if you don't take action in the next 20 years, I think we probably will have a lost planet. So I think that's something that everybody knows for sure, but and everybody is trying to put their own little bit to get this done. So I think it's a great initiative.